In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this really good POV drive angle that you're looking at right here without having to stick a camera anywhere on your body. So what you're going to need is a small action camera such as a GoPro. That's personally what I use. And then you can pick up a GoPro suction cup mount. And then from there, you can go and stick it on the moonroof or sunroof of your car. Now, it's kind of a catch-22. If your car does not have a sunroof or moonroof, unfortunately, you will not be able to do this type of POV driving angle, if you will. So really the only option you're left with is wearing the head mount and getting that type of camera view from wearing the head mount. But if you are someone that does have a moonroof, this is how you're going to go about putting the suction cup and the GoPro on it. And then you can kind of play around with how your car is situated in order to get the best angle and how to, like face the camera and that sort of stuff. Now, just for context, I did want to show you guys what the GoPro head mount angle looks like, which is what you're looking at right now. Definitely not a bad angle at all. Like I said, I personally just don't like wearing a device on my head. I find it distracting while I'm driving. But for those of you who are wanting a more realistic POV angle where the camera follows your head where you're looking, definitely not a bad option. Now, one potential problem with wearing the GoPro head mount or any type of action camera head mount is that you tend to get way too much of the sun visor or roof line in the field of view of your camera. So as you can see in this clip of me driving this Tesla, there is way too much of that sun visor in the field of view of this video. Now, you can adjust the camera to sit further down on your forehead so that it gives a more natural field of view. However, at that point, it ends up becoming in your peripherals. It's almost like sitting between your eyeballs. It's very distracting. It blocks your field of view, and it's just overall not safe to drive around with anything that's, in any way, shape, or form blocking your field of view. But my own personal preference is to go with the suction cup mount on the moonroof. I personally just like the angle of it better. And again, I don't have to wear a camera on my head. I like the fact that it's out of sight, out of mind. I'm not touching it. I don't have to deal with it. And I know that it's going to stay exactly where it is. It's not going to move around with my head. It's not going to make my viewers nauseous. And so yeah, personal preference, go with the suction cup mount on the moonroof. I've been using this method in all of my future videos. And another great thing about using the suction cup mount on your moonroof, again, if you have one, is that you can move it around and get different angles of you driving the car. So like this angle, for instance, if you want to see yourself while you're driving the car, you can do that, or you can move it to different parts and just get different angles and experiment, with what you think looks cool and what looks good for your video. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Short, sweet, simple, and to the point. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and comment below. But yeah, with all that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay glossy, my friends.